Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate FlexJobs resume tailoring for LinkedIn profile updates, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate FlexJobs resume tailoring for your LinkedIn profile updates, start by logging into your FlexJobs account. Once logged in, navigate to the resume section on your dashboard. Select the option to create or edit your resume if you haven't done it yet. Tailor your resume to match job descriptions that interest you. Use keywords and phrases that are relevant to your desired position. When you're satisfied with your resume, save your changes. Next, open a new tab and go to your LinkedIn account. Log into your LinkedIn profile. Click on the Me icon at the top of your LinkedIn homepage. Select View Profile from the drop-down menu. Once on your profile page, click on the pencil icon to edit your profile. Scroll to the section where you want to update your resume information. You can add your tailored resume as a file by clicking on the Add Profile section button. Select Featured and then choose Media. Upload the resume you tailored in FlexJobs. You can also update your summary section with relevant experiences and keywords. Make sure your LinkedIn skills align with those highlighted in your resume. After making the necessary changes, review your profile for accuracy. When everything looks good, click the Save button to apply your updates. Now, your LinkedIn profile reflects your tailored resume, enhancing your job search efforts. Regularly update your resume and LinkedIn profile as you apply for different positions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.